Testing your water is the first step to protecting your health. In this episode of the Knowledge Series by RiverSoft, we will show you how to test your water for hidden contaminants like bacteria and chemicals so you can take action before it's too late. Let's get started. Today, let's see the different ways to test your water. Home test kits. Quick and affordable. Home test kits detect basic issues like pH, chlorine, and hardness, but they may not catch everything. TDS meters and digital testers. TDS meters measure total dissolved solids but don't tell you what is in your water. It's a good starting point but not a complete test. Lab water testing. For a full analysis, send a water sample to a certified lab. They test for bacteria, heavy metals, and chemicals, giving a detailed report. Knowing what's in your water is the first step to finding the right solution. In our next episode, we will explore filtration option to deal with contaminants in water. For more updates, follow us and subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.